We're very excited in Cedar Park to be hosting Plug and Play's Central Texas location. Obviously, it's a region known for exciting innovation for a long time, building on very high levels of intellectual capital. And Cedar Park is a city with a really high quality of living and is home to many of our region's entrepreneurs and most brilliant technological minds. And so we feel like our partnership with Plug and Play will help continue to foster that entrepreneurial ecosystem throughout the region, specifically in Cedar Park.